Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Davinci Resolve 18 on your Windows PC for free. So the process is pretty quick and easy, so let's just get straight into it. You want to open up a web browser. You can use any web browser. I'm on Google Chrome, and then in Google Chrome you just want to type Davinci Resolve 18. You'll get a whole bunch of search results, but you want to click on the one that says blackmagicdesign.com and then Davinci Resolve 18. So I'll click on that one. This will take you directly to the Davinci Resolve 18 webpage, and you can see right at the top it says what's new and then Davinci Resolve free download, and then you can buy the studio for $2.95. But you just want to scroll down on this main webpage. You need to scroll for quite some time, and then you should see here where it says Davinci Resolve 18 software, and then it says Davinci Resolve 18 for free. You want to click here where it says free download now, and you want to choose Windows because we're downloading this on Windows. And right now you need to fill in some information, so just put your first name, last name, email address, phone number, your country, and then say where you found Davinci Resolve, and then you want to click register and download. It will automatically start downloading the file for you. Now to save time, I've already gone and downloaded the file, but you would just click register and download and you will get that file. It is around 3 gigabytes of size. So if I close this and go to my downloads folder, you can see here's the folder that I downloaded from the Davinci Resolve website. It's a zip file. So on this zip file you want to right click, and then you can just click on extract all. You want to select a destination, so let me just go on my desktop. I'll choose desktop, select folder, and then I'll click on extract. Now it's extracting all the files from that zip folder, which will include the install file, onto my desktop. Now depending on how many files are in that folder, it can take some time, so let me just wait for that to finish. Okay, so that is finished extracting now, and you can see it only extracted this one file, so that's good. So this is the install file that will set up Davinci Resolve 18. So I'm going to double click on that file, and it's just loading up at the moment, and now it is extracting all the setup files that we're going to use for this installation process. So I'll just give that a moment to finish. Okay, so a security pop-up appeared. Now you may see it or you may not see it on my screen, but you just want to allow this and click on yes, where it says do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. This is going to open up this section, and you want to select all of these 3 boxes. So the Blackmagic Raw Player, the Fairlight Audio Accelerator, and the Davinci Resolve 18. So once you've selected all of them, click on install. This will start installing the different programs that we selected now. Okay, so now it's preparing to install the main thing. Okay, so now it's opened up the main installer. It says welcome to Davinci Resolve setup. You just want to click on next. Then you want to accept the license agreement by clicking that box, and then click on next. Now you want to select where you want to install it. So I recommend just leave it like it is on the C drive, then click on next, and now you want to click on install, and it will begin installing all the Davinci Resolve 18 files. So I'll just speed up this process for you. Okay, so now it says completed the Davinci Resolve setup. You can click on now finish. Now say you need to restart your computer. So right now what I'll do is I'll just click on no, but you would click on yes, but the installation is now complete. But I will now cut from the recording and then restart my computer, and then we'll come back and see if it did in fact work. Okay, and I have restarted my computer successfully, and you can see the shortcut of Davinci Resolve has been placed on my desktop. You can see it there underneath the recycle bin. So I'm going to double click on the Davinci Resolve shortcut, and it now should open up with Davinci Resolve 18 working just fine. So it will present you with this screen that shows you everything that's new within Davinci Resolve 18. Just click on continue, and then you'll just click on start, and you can see here it says Davinci Resolve 18. It seems to be working just fine, so we'll just give that a moment to load up. And this is a message that's related to my computer, so I'll just click on OK, and it says we recommend that you back up your existing project library before upgrading. So I'll click on upgrade. That's important if you're using Davinci Resolve before you upgrade it to 18. Okay, so I cut away to fix something that I was having an error with, and that was it was stuck on loading the projects, and I found the problem was my VPN. So I disconnected my VPN and then it loaded my projects just fine. So now you can see at the top it says Davinci Resolve 18. I can click on a project and it has loaded just fine. I can go to the edit tab, I can import media into the timeline, and you can begin editing. And that's how you download and install Davinci Resolve 18. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.